My name is boitumelomokonyanestudio, and I'm the project manager for Mokonyane Property Group. The house is located in Serala View. It's sitting adjacent to an active wetland. The wetland has played a large part in forming the fauna and the flora that acts as a gateway to our site. The brief of this home was very straightforward. A timeless and simple home that not only settles well within the environment, but feels warm, bright and airy. The architecture of this home is very simple. It's got staggered boxes and clean architectural lines. The boxiness of the home means it sits very sturdy in its landscape. It's a good example of how less can be more. The home is 430 square meters on the roof. It's sitting on a plot of 1,000 square meters. It has 4 large bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and 2 powder rooms that are servicing both floors. The interior of this home can be likened to a minimalist Mediterranean home. We went for a wall color called worn wood. It does a good job at warming up the space without being too heavy on the eyes. It in turn helped us choose a floor tile and wood flooring that would complement the color. We decided to use black as a highlight to give contrast to the space. This can be seen through the use of door handles, the staircase railing, the lighting, and other small details throughout the home. The client was very specific about one thing in this home. All she wanted was a wide kitchen. Wide kitchens are classic, but they are notoriously difficult to do. Since you can't add dimension using color, it's important to be smart with texture and fittings. We used gold and black hardware and fittings to give it a different feel. We also paired it with a country style design for the doors. You can find texture in the beautifully lathered brass handles, the streaky gold lines on the white wall tiles, as well as the intricate pendant lights. The lights are also a chance to add a wow factor to the home. My favorite one has to be the 6-tier chandelier above the staircase. The blown glass aesthetic with the 3 different colors adds a lot of character to the space. The master suite is one of the highlights of this home. The large bedrooms lead to the balcony overlooking the stream of water coming off of the wetland. The walk-through dressing room is spacious with beautifully latte-colored cabinets. The bathroom is warm and understated with a large glass top vanity, a freestanding bathtub, and a black frame and fixtured shower. All the bathrooms have full wall tiles. Adding wall tiles to the space makes it feel a little bit more luxurious than usual. This home is one of my favorite because of the amount of creativity we had. I have to give credit to the client for trusting us and giving us free rein in making sure that we're going to give them the best product possible. I hope they enjoy the home just as much as we enjoyed building it. For more information about Mokonyane Property Group, please see the description below. And as always, subscribe to our channel to see future videos.